Want to know how to post a job by yourself in Wellfound in order to recruit all the employees? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website and make sure you are logged in. So we have also created a video on how to log in and similar videos, so make sure to watch it. So once I've done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile picture, just select it. And now here you should be seeing various options. Now right below logout, you should be seeing post a job on the bottom. Just select that. And once you selected that, you should be under recruit. So just select let's get started and enter your company name. Now you can just simply select a company or create a new company, add their logo, your email address, website, location, markets, etc. and fill up the necessary forms and then select next stop, which is inviting your team. So you need a certain team for this, and once that is done, you can just simply start creating right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.